We're going to create the altitudes of acute triangle, triangle DEF. In order to do this, you need to make a segment that is perpendicular to one side of your triangle and touches the opposite vertex. We're going to be using a protractor to do this, and we're going to hold our protractor sideways so that the 90-degree mark of your protractor is lined up with the side that you want to draw the altitude to. I'm going to draw the altitude to side DE, so I'm going to line up the 90-degree mark of my protractor on side DE. Staying lined up like that, I'm going to slide my protractor over until the side of the protractor hits the opposite vertex F. Notice how the protractor's 90-degree mark is still lined up with side DE, and now the side of the protractor also hits opposite vertex F. So now I can use the side of the protractor as a straight edge and draw in the altitude from F perpendicular to side DE. To show that this is an altitude, we're going to use a right angle symbol. I'm going to turn my paper now and create the altitude of side DF. Using the same strategy, holding my protractor sideways and lining up side DF with the 90-degree mark of my protractor, I'm going to slide the protractor over until the side of the protractor hits opposite vertex E now. My 90-degree mark of my protractor is still on side DF. The opposite vertex E is touching the side of the protractor, and now I can draw my altitude straight down, perpendicular to side DF. I'm going to use another right angle symbol to show that that is perpendicular to side DF. To create the last altitude, I'm going to turn my paper and create the altitude of side FE. Again, I'm going to line the 90-degree mark of the protractor up with side EF and slide the protractor over until the side of the protractor hits opposite vertex D. Then I can use the side of the protractor as a straight edge to draw a segment going from point D perpendicular to side EF. To show that this segment is perpendicular, I'm going to put a right angle symbol again. We have just created the three altitudes in triangle DEF. Notice that they all intersect at one point inside the triangle. The point where they intersect is called the orthocenter.